We want to change the culture around fast food and the perceptions people have of that industry. My name's Nick Pestalozzi and I'm the co-founder of Fishbowl. Fishbowl was founded in 2016 by myself and two co-founders, Nathan and Casper. We wanted to make health food fun, exciting, and empower people to make healthier decisions about the way they live. We could never understand why it was so hard to get health food at an affordable price point. And we saw an opportunity to try and change the fast food landscape. The flavors of Japanese culture are tried and tested. We love sushi, we love Japanese cuisine. So we took salads and all the amazing Australian produce that we have access to and just gave it a little Japanese twist. We've got a great range at Fishbowl on our menu, and you'll find items with wild-caught yellowfin tuna, such as the Big Puppy, our OG with salmon sashimi. We cater to the vegans with things like the tofu boys. The Lua Umami with free-range chicken is also a great hit. And more recently, the latest special that we've released is called Pump It Up. And it's a pumpkin special. It's a miso glazed pumpkin, and that's been really popular and it's delicious. So tonight we're gonna make the OG with avocado for you. This one's definitely our most popular bowl and it's my favorite. So we've got salmon sashimi, we throw in some golden beetroot, shallots, red onion, edamame, and kale. Can't go wrong with kale. I'm gonna add some sesame seeds to it, and we're gonna add our roasted sesame dressing. Give it a nice big mix, get all the salmon, all the vegetables mixed together. And I'm gonna place that on top of the bowl. We add the seaweed salad. On top of that, we're gonna put a bit of avocado, crispy shallots, tobiko, and lastly, my favorite, the togarashi chili flakes. That is one good looking bowl. We chose Parramatta because our customers really wanted us to make the move there. We had a lot of people coming to Bondi, Darlinghurst, and more of our central CBD stores. And Parramatta Square, it felt like the right opportunity, it felt like the right space, and it really felt like the right time. We're really just trying to give our customers something real, something different. We say we're changing fast food, and what we mean by that is we just want to make great food, delicious, real, authentic, in a really accessible, fun and exciting manner. We hope to see you down at Fishbowl, Parramatta.